You might expect this first move, but be careful of variations that might catch you off guard. The Sicilian defense is the most popular response to e4. Developing their knight and supporting the center in this variation of the Sicilian. This move opens the path for your bishop to enter the game. Their bishop comes into play, attacking the center. This lets your bishop step into the game. Their knight comes into play, attacking the center. Good job, that's what I would have played too. This move prepares for their bishop to join the action. You trade off equal material. Their recapture simultaneously brings the queen. You develop your piece while also winning a tempo on the queen. This move puts their queen on a safer square. You're kicking their bishop out of a useful square, moving their threatened bishop to safety. You gain time because your opponent must deal with your threat. They move the queen to safety. You are bringing your knight into play, eyeing this. They chose kingside castling, getting their king out of the center and activate. This move loses a pawn. They missed a chance to tactically win a pawn. For sure you had to move away from the threat. They are threatening to capture a pawn and win. This move will win a knight with correct play. This move puts their knight on a safer square. Smart move reinforcing your pawn with extra protection. They are threatening to capture a pawn and win material after the. You missed an opportunity to win a pawn through a fork. A clear recapture. Ouch, you left your knight hanging. They missed a chance to capture a free knight. This move will win a pawn with correct play. This move puts their queen on a safer square. You are threatening to win material through a tactic? They move the rook to safety. Good job defending that pawn. Their knight is now in a stronger position. Developing is good and even better with that tempo on a queen. A correct move to get their queen out of harm's way. You are threatening to win material through a tactic? This is a fair trade. Recapturing. Their pawn attacks your bishop, kicking it out of its current position. You've just allowed your bishop to be taken without a fight, capturing your hanging bishop. Your rooks can work together now. They stopped the check by interposing a piece between your queen and their king. Yes, this is the way. They missed a chance to win a queen through an eventual discovered attack. You had an opportunity to capture a free pawn. This move left their bishop hanging. Their best option was to sacrifice a knight for a nice tactic. They move the pawn to safety. You are threatening to force eventual checkmate. This move left their knight hanging. You captured that free knight. Their better move was to bring the last piece into the game. Nice, definitely the right move. They are right on target. You continue the checkmate attack. You get a chance to checkmate the king. Always feels nice to win.